In front of me is OSCAL Tiger 12, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Passwords and Accounts. Now click on Google under Passwords and tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit. Following that, enter your current screen lock and click on Edit button next to the delayed one. Then change wherever you want to. When you finished, to save your changes, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!